Welcome to the podcast or broadcast. Chicks.
The broadcaster anyway like kumakona space la ngata hasha tweet ngarna waya ba kumbe ku kwetlembatana ka ti sound
Say bye too. Na phone la yo. So today everyone was a subscriber, we don't need more subscribers. We just need you to watch.
Yeah, it's not bored.
But anyways, I think our next guest, Maulana Botsol Makam, Maulana Joan and Steve, we tell we read you need as a shoot. I think he's gonna be the first guest artist at this podcast yeah.
Broadcast.
Yeah. So today all of balabula is just for tala mara. So I'm trying to continue so fun Carlo
Today specifically.
Even the first thing she fans on Nibuli Minaga the last video and go. So mess at ngoma each and every she tsikele ni shama kombo.
Shama danger awang tsikele.
Ava tsikele shama kombo so mess ngoma kwala na kwala because now they're under pressure and they mess attack.
Yeah. Tisu ufana umela rivaleni a swi nge pfuni nchumu ku hi bambetela munhu or hi bambetela nkambi mhaka ku hi va languterini vanhu lava hi la swa kahle ka vona and for the fact ya ku vanhu vo tala va le ku yingiseleni music luwa va na tinambara ta le henhla i ku there's something lexi va nga na xona exactly se fa hi xi lunghisa swi famba hi order sweswo
se a swo swan swa ka always is trash ni ka tsaka tsima ma vanhu but we ani nyanga tseke ngopfu loko ni twa someone called George Maluleke a legend and I was like what does it take to be a legend? Why shula kumele ukure nsongole music 2005 2035 imangona 30 wa album file va na legend ambe kan bathaka okay ngibula ithaka I'm not saying music wa George Maluleke ithaka I'm just saying does it
I period le munhu a tshama ku nkarhi ka yona or a dominance or the hit a counter yini ku kahle kahle munhu va n'wi regard as a legend etatwa ka ti comment ku mi hlayisa ku yini kwele
exactly so now we're gonna mina nta hlaya ya mi legend yo sungula because most of you were complaining kumisela ni n'wi chance avalavula so namuntlha wana chance hinkwayo ta vulavula hi leswi n'wana twisaka swona yini munhu wa xigaza yena as a producer yeah exactly
I know
so that's when says what does it take the question is what does it take to be a legend milangusa yini milangusa yini ku ube una ta album ta 30
or una ti to tala or ekhale or
no charisma or yini what we check to say for na phena mina nga tifaka as a YouTube legend
yeah basically you are
exactly so ngibula ku what is it that we check ka music kwesitsongo kumbe ka music ku munhu at the time I know
as a legend
yeah
nikombela ku xivutiso lexiwani xi nyika ti viewers ka ti comment va hi byela ku from their side of view bona va swi vonisa ku yini na hina hi ta hlaya ti views ta hina a hi ri ti confirmed or fake
confirmed loko zo vona video leyi leswi ku byela ku fact nguru wa swila tick shiteki yo ku byela a hi ku vutisi vutisi munhu sweswo tivisa leswi wala
nevertheless we're gonna leave the question to the viewers va byela point of view yabo from my side mina leswi ni swi twisaka so for an artist ku reconsider as a legend if I dominating
dominance of life
dominance ndayiteka hi career wise ne because being an artist one I ku nge studio imbelela ku siqambi wena it takes a lot from branding yourself from the dominance in vula from branding yourself from music wise each and every year drop something and ukona like a mainstream like you are dominating ku ya me and then nevertheless sure etelela lexi nga ta xivula ku ri artist ifane ibana yeah if I maybe let's say you get a period of 10 years hi swi tiva ka 10 years leyi each and every year there is something artist leyi nga xi endla ku yi tshama yi ri ka mainstream.
Loko mina la ku humesa nghoma ni fika na hakela ekokwani Chauke, na hakela Solo Makamu, na hakela Benny Mayengani each and every year before ni drop a project, regardless ya ku project yi ta va njhani. Even then va vulavula hi mina ku va na impact leyi va kona va mahungwini. Does it mean I'm a legend in that space of 10 years?
Nah.
Because you are saying doing something.
Yeah.
So does it mean if mina man kana ko kwanchao
No.
na hakela Solo Makamu, na hakela Benny Mayengani,
Look,
and not as the artist, na hakela as the influencer, na hakela Gavazi, na hakela Gagash, na hakela Pilar. Loko endlana hasasa malavula does sweswo hi swi counter as legendary kumbe?
I guess fly.
So
That's something.
so that I'm questioning your definition of a legend.
No, it's not really a definition. I know you get at the point of view from my side. We can regard as. What about your side, Ke?
I mean a legend, definition of legend, because me long some is song. A definition of being a legend comes is a song, and long some a generally specific. Being a legend, if you must be a legend, you must be like Masobe Muda. Masobe Muda was a vocalist, he was a keyboard player,
He was a director,
he was a writer, he was a keyboard player, he was a
producer,
he was everything,
yeah.
the whole production. And secondly, Masobe Muda was helping others, bro. Long so I told my can pay the Tambi, work design at the Tambi. Mayande, yes, we Tambi after. Asungulelwe matsha na chavani phezimfane ubihlambi after asungulelwe matsha. So Matsha was that guy, man, was everything for me. There's no one no ngutshena ta kuswana Matsha by Muda
in terms of legendary.
There's no one closer to him. So ka hip hop man, Steve, no talk on Mchangala, I don't even know his song.
Yeah,
and his song.
A lot of people very legend.
No, I mean I count him as one of the legends, but I don't even know him.
No, you don't count as a legend in Mchangani because he started kurapa isitsonga or asungula kwendla hip hop song. I don't know if he's the one who started, but then mind you, kuna vanhu vo fana Mafraka, those are the legends. So Mchangani, I don't even know it's one of his songs. Not the way radio, that's all I know.
So radio leo shasa masagwa.
So legendary he legacy langa na yona. Exactly. So I know. Let's count him out.
So mina pointed my one. My ikomis na wewe ngaftakela ngihlokweni bakhomela kulo mina my first legend lani ani Tevisa eMatshabe Muda. I can't believe there's anyone closer to that guy. No one. Okay, Venevisi came cocked and left. So Mtagugola Venevete what came cocked and left. So Masobe Muda for me is someone I won't compare Matsha to any artist.
Kuna huge gap kata artist leti n'wanyana. Kuna huge gap ka Matsha. Veke ni Matsha site ni.
Na loko munhu ta jamuka na ngibapama. Ngibapama papa enhlanga ku tamela. Then so it's your time now to say your, because if I'm about one
from my side, first legend ka hip hop song it has to be Mafraka. Nikole Mafraka.
Mina ni vachavina valoyi.
Wasita. Oyi.
Mina na vativa
na valala.
No
Jerusalem. I remember.
Mina rhandza munhu ende mina ntshembi munhu. Mina hlonipha mara mina nchava munhu.
Amuhlekelela ku rhandza munhu.
Loko ri pela dyambu every day dyondza munhu. Hambi vo vulavula va ku Mafraka rapa tsaka. Rapa mataka tsak mina na shaka.
You know. So obvious, that is a confirmed kill. The man tsunduka loko na nghena kereke and ani nga vuli ku sweswi na ngheni or
before we made it.
Yeah, no, ani made it. Na nghena kereke ka Sunday school we used to rap one of the songs, Jerusalem. Hambi kurikule kaya. Yeah, the man was one of this is a legend and Shesh, I can't move now. TikTok. I just saw this other guy featuring Mafraga. Do you know?
No, I don't work that.
Yeah, there is a song now. Shishing
I don't work himself.
Oh, TikTok. You don't do TikTok?
No, I don't work. I'm all on the DJ class as well.
No, I know. What I'm saying, Mara, Ukuri, he still has that.
That's why it's very hard to go hangala sapuka. We're trying all our. Mkombe master ngoma ngala salenga lekuteni. Angala sa featuring
Mboni
DJ Mumba na sai free. Now chena songwani now. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't.
It will work. Songwani obvious. It's a confirmed kill.
So, but I have the project in so. And love you. No more. Ya kuna the voices they find to kwamula. Beka vocalist isandla so. Kuna the voices they find to kwamula la. Angala sa kuna ngwana ngato ko didoyini. Ayahla ngala sa dado. Sorry but. Mara the door indlela yakho sa tsakile. Mina benga eba. So angala sa phekwa le so yima manje recorder di now my sana mo mata te so da mafutelo music yi khona ko mata ko na penga he madisa ba mane
Makuyithi shesh.
Makuyithi shesh do dina kwa mona unga the
Oh no, lungizala. Yeah, na twisisa.
So
The ad-libs na ti backup at ko.
Seyile ku tena hlongwane khona ni valavuleni hi tini ta huma 29 ta August. Te va nga ri jahi but no konta ku byala hi swona na wena wo nga ta fana chela the voice time
Ta hlongwa. I know. Confirmed kill. So back to the point, Mafraga number 1. There's a lot I can say about that guy.
Machabe more than number 1.
All right.
Number 3, I mean, sto hlekisa mara so. And number 2, I mean, nga vulavula hi Mansandla.
I know, confirmed.
Because now I'm doing gender balance. Go to mhleketo ni mina la ku vona munhu un'wana kuswana na yona there's no one. And Mansandla ni tsandena Lipo Poison. No, Lipo Poison came bro. They may one wow. When Lipo Poison came, yo go to Tsonanda.
Yeah. Look, vula sweswo. Anki mblalo na bhuti wa mina ankinisela Themba Chauke. Ne? Nitwa music lo akuri music wa youth. Ningutisa what happened to this guy? He was very good. Vakai, vafikini vafana va moya vafika vatimelela hinkwaswo. If you were career. Mafiki kufika.
Bobin moni give him.
Yeah, straight.
Langusa kahle. Mafika mako xinombelani mako down. Ya lava. Mako DJ kwa no zenja mako down.
Down. Including na yena Themba Chauke down.
Khoni down.
Down.
Manflo futa ya kumesa the biggest album in 2010. Lenga
mako down. Yo.
Mara matsane ku munhu loko
Beyonce selling Dior.
loko maba e color block yi batters ku nda xechela chukela anjeni no tanyomo. So that's my second legend. And never number 2 ayutla lava nga ta veka hansi ka vona manu na ku balance gender. I don't believe there's someone closer to me.
No, you're accurate blind.
Mansandla is a legend. She's
no, the viewers, you are more than welcome to minyika the points ta n'wina from list ya ngata ti nyika ti list ta hina. Nyikani point of view ya n'wina. You might be right.
I mean, I'm right. I'm not might.
Ni vula vona ku they might be right.
When you might be right, I'm right.
You from my side, Mafraga was hip hop. It's accurate kun nga vekela hina as a pop artist. It's very much accurate. Mara loko nangta what Hennessy did and what Sign Free did, I think ngabekela Hennessy that ga Sign Free. Spot number 2, I can definitely put Chauke. Hey, points ta mili.
Ndasele na vida sele na leki Chauke that's kanjani.
Chauke so bani ivekela. Ilise. Ntsunduka Chauke loko ya ka Sbar. Ya rukota ka Sbar.
You know, all in the table.
Yeah, Gaspar exactly that time. Chauke that time ani yingisela mara ani twa nga ku chart music uta wala ya. Uta wala exactly. So I had to pay attention closer.
Wala ka mva tele mapoto. Na mina Mozambique asifana mayiwa.
Samfana ningisela Chauke attentively. Niboneni fure iti taking the award kalembeleria. Tsuduka picture yin'wani iri ka mova yi humesa nrofi vekita award. Exactly.
Taka munghana nene.
No, no sa ku pima ku ri I dominate nkarhi luwa.
Aku dominate as tike. Swi swi khomisa swin'wana. Taka munghana nene let's not rate.
Yeah, I swi get. But then again, Chauke ya fita ka number 2. He's been doing his things. And Chauke the branding. So far yo, ti tinta artist tin'wana timbirhi to ka ni nga ti hlayi mavito ti zama ku la ku khopa xitalo xi Chauke ti ta.
Semi the pro na
Na lo n'wanun'uta muhlayi na.
Ibrahim.
Mara wa n'wanun'uta muhlayi.
Ibrahim.
Mara wa n'wanun'uta. Mafana na marama la. Mafana na marama.
So, my third artist tatifaka tiri
Three ka third spot.
at the spot. Peter Tinet, Penny, General Mosca. You know why? Ni mafaka va ri 3. Ni vone ku loko ni mafaka third, lava fa va third va va longoloka hikwavo ni vhele va yi ni 85 ya mina.
Oh.
So Mara, you know, mina music wa Peter Tinet, I've never been a fan. I've never listened to his music, and I have anakunavela kuwindi.
Exactly, I go.
I don't have a desire.
Okay, no, I get it.
Ningi
Mina
sila
I'm selling
Tinet.
Peter Tinet most of the times, and not the favorite songs by Peter Tinet.
For me, mina my favorite artist ka lava ni nga va hlava na ri hiyo. Kulani wanana. Minga kule jala. So, but however, loko ri munhu wengisela music, it doesn't matter if you are random munhu. Your point must be your point.
Point is a point.
The point is effect is effect. The influence has been there, bro. Sanin the head Peter Tinet, the Gianni, the Madam Lily, the head Papa Penny. Kabele kwele Bush, the head General Mosca.
General Mosca, yeah.
And
General Mosca like a third spot na la baba.
It's my third. And General Mosca, for me, the reason why I love General Mosca, General Mosca influenced the most influential artists as well.
Yeah, it is 100%.
Because being a local you can tell, man, this guy is there.
Fully nine, yes. Fully nine, yes.
General, so.
Yeah, I remember.
So those are in number 3. I mean,
Okay.
number 1,
Obvious.
number 2.
Obvious. No, I get it.
Number
From
2.
my side, okay. Na men anu kunta faka 3, but loko nkin search la nhluku na mina ku hava. Ta faka ehlungwane sign free ne. The reason faka sign.
Xikombo xi kahle. Na bana makhwana. A cina papa yenya.
The reason faka sign free. Another hemba. The guy has been good. Like since Lokangena, he's good. He's still good, yeah. No, like in terms of hip hop, TV sign free maga hip hop, not pop. Ne? Sign free is good. It's been on the game. When this talang of influence hip hop, ya matsonga iba another thing.
Exactly,
100%. A lot of people
They
now
branded that shit.
ba imbelela kahle inside it.
Malandelane yo lo kenai salanda yo.
Yeah, listen to Zamakula so kuri. Loko checka the chorus. The imbeleleriwa, yes. And then the verse often maybe recognize instead. And then Sign Free came asungula kuina, and then a lot of people were the way. The Michaels kana is na bona balaba.
The makers of Ocean Banansha is I remember
100%.
when I did my first event, I filmed this the man. I come session one year and so that one get taking the pen.
Yeah,
I come back to perform. Kadi kombele loy.
Sign Free.
So I think the makers if when the mistake wala Sign Free wala me. Nguru when the mistake when la boat ne.
Eti I went lang chumu the Michaels. I got your back, my guy. Album at the Michaels, the latest one. Half of the songs they are produced by me.
No, they know this. Nakumla hip, you can go hip hop. I had a song so class from Timbana, Gucci, and Nomla Summer Pen, Miss Kuma.
Obvious.
No, it's good. It's good. I know we made them. Look at chat. So number 4 for me. Comrade. Papa Jafta.
This is number 2. This is number 2.
Papa Jafta. When pushing them sick.
Nigga, me now. This is number 2.
And get some saying, I point on what them believe. So the comrade is going. Papa Jafta. Number 4.
Number 4. Yeah. nte mvulavula hi ti-legend the Michaels na Khana ni nge va cheli ka ti-legend they are new boys so ku na ti-legend leti a ni fanele ti fakini in terms of pop mara ni voni ku ri swi best ku ni nga ti faki reason being ni languti hip hop na pop evikeni ni languta na disco those people a va ndla ngopfu disco mara va yi endla hi side ra pop a ni tshembi ni nga va yi na
faka Brian u nga faki Brian
no I was coming there both Brian phela
abo ti brand bomb kwa boti ka music
no ka me both
we both emfu we Brian
okay Brian Bomba the reason angala kungifaka really the sound that is make na yena n'winyi a nga ri sure ku ri where does it fall the reason vula leswi I hear it from the host master yena ni byela ku loko a wina award ya yena yo sungula after Yulubuni maka munghana
loko va xava ta award ta vo to sungula
mi nga ngheni ngopfu liya
a no n'wi kwala
okay no problem Dima u byeri ku ri munghana lenene yi struggleni ku ri the nominees ku ri yi faka kwihi which sound is it doing so na yena self is not really sure ku ri sound leyi faka kwihi but then in terms of legendary I'm gonna put it ne reason being ni n'wi vakela sweswiwani metan corrector but then after 2014 ku na tinsimu ti nga landzela ti-album ti nga landzela yeah mara ti nga ri that good and then last year if not 2023 I don't remember well I think it's 2023 came back ka Titimela he dominated he did exactly what he did back then 2023 2024 last year 2024 2023 2023
it's during that period ranga na ras ka makhongela loko
yeah 2023
oh yeah
it's not last year came he dominated it was good the album was nice by the way album yakho ichawe moose noka ni nga tivi ku yeah
kambe no kwamulemza
so umelela
so my kanya number man 5
ka 5 yaku heteleleni
asithizi ngomfeva ku Thomas Chauke I don't rate him why because Thomas Chauke is a brand bale batele kuna ku ri for brand kuna man flow kuna matones they're all brands there and it's not it's good o helele ku endla album loko endla magidi mbirhi antali mina ngwenya askis okombeni munga ta vona munga unsubscribe hi mara mina I don't rate him as
ani mina yena munga wari mani mina yena no akachawu mina
as being good as people can perceive him
yeah mara no mara Chauke that
so number 5 Anthony Faka number 1 obvious
Chauke
hetingo watamesa vatinga chicha atingo watamesa vatichicheni navo kwanya bya havo pelegiyani byiya vupfa ka n'wamhita ko nga kule ku ve khale ka matiko kama lowu kokwani a pfembele matihlo hi thothotho a xoleka na ku famba hi ku daka ha yimela tinsimu ta vukanyi ha yimela tinsimu ta vukanyi ha yimela tinsimu aku sorry bavo a mzimbeni wa mina akirimo kirikaze kirikaka whatever said akuna chavi I find Faka number 1 mato kwai I find Faka number 1 but people were gonna say shimpena shabe but number 5 in Faka 2 artists
yeah so far Fake Kokwani Chauke
number 5
yeah
umangelo ka number 5 ina nungusu
nubula number 4 wema
ana number 4 man
iveki number 4 iveki comrade
ngikho
iku number 5 iveka machawu
anifaka ngichawo then ngongurate angakona ka list yami
angaka list coach Chauke
anga qualify ka list yami ngapha
iveka ngapha
ngaphanda na yosh
okay famba man na Dokotela Joe Dokotela left off
the producer
it's a producer okay I know
as legendary time
people don't
the video ibalabla Dr. Josh Roman you wanna stay
profile ya munhu no
you kuma chance ya ku let me do something for myself ndi build a video because being a producer shouldn't make and it's not really
people
in a way yakweta ku as an artist
vanhu minga teki leswi swi vulaka endlela yin'wana ya wrong ite the legend and the incini xi ndla ku legend minga rivala
they joy legend
exactly yeah
mara mina
ina itina nta hina you know I get it bas
for me Bean is number 5 and not him alone na ku clarify swin'wanyana swi va na nkoka ngopfu ku va leswi vulini ni vula leswiwani ni katsa na munhu un'wanyani a nga le na wa n'wi hlekete munhu lowu
Mr. Posa legend dile kule
wa
na
le mase
no hlakupima dile kule na ngona so
wala le dwa
awu tizonda to va kule ku na vanhu vo tala ngwe nga va chelaka
so sweswiwani na ku vula specific artist my brother
I'm thinking too deep and go to ku ikuma na mina
hi le kusuhani ngona le tlhelo ka wena mata hleka hangalasa
never
no bra the impact leyi nga endliwa hangalasa awu for sure u yile ku notice nini bra
se la ku chela hangalasa ka legend la ngana
as a legend ba peleka line ungalasa tshame loko sa beni 2700
o la tani
khadi bayiso tuna loko hi nga famisa vena humesa swilo swi nga twali u tsundzuka hangalasa ka
man direct.
Okay. Let me explain to everyone. No, Angalasa Bram, Dio boy, he never branded Electro.
Angalasa the startup. Yeah, no. Meaning I'm nika credit. Angalasa ya
not credit, legendary.
Legendary.
Kuba Angalasa te tsamena mkokwena tembisa subuluko Angalasa.
Nah, I get it. No, from my side, ne. It didn't do much for me.
It did, my bra.
Go create a sound. Yeah, Ali.
Ana kuba bese. Bomumba kasi sound le betanga ngo.
I know obvious. Yeah. Obvious. Yeah, sound the shisha was stressed. I know. Yeah, level. Nanti nika credit.
No, Angalasa na Russian mina group le was slick bra. Awalandelela moko madu. No swi endla n'wana awalandelela side ya dona. Mara laba fika ba teka sound le tlangwa ba dawo ya makhwaya so. Ezinyoka gugu borishile ba teka sound rin'wana tlangwa go borishile so. Mari bakunyana na wo shayela n'wana gugu so makhwaya so makhwaya.
Che makhwaya shile
so mbala ku ta timask lo kumachina ma hitiva na beat
ku. Beat ya jikikela ku sure yeah.
Music wa ina kwenu kuba kubantu. Isibelano makhwaya music wa ingisa. Ufoko penga loko ingisa xanga xandla n'wana ko ya kaya. Uri movie uri 1
itale ya ndlela
bohle mu loko ngisolele ka xandla n'wana
cinsa xi endla n'wana
so hangalasa music wa hangalasa naswona maka moyivi ko sound ena penga he matisa va mane ni tamale ku kungula makola pa
all right
nakayanga famsa china selino langutane va ta penga mani lava langutane va ta pe like it was nimbelelo ngoma ya
2012 yeah
nimbelelo langutane va ta penga ma na penga un'wana na penga hangalasa eyo send penga million penga thousand send so you see hangalasa has been there bro no 2012 dofka by say askeze makhongela la mafika mina ku di brand ase midhlangana no mambolela I think it's one of the parts that they play a role ya
ku destroy the career Bombo man
no do myself but me bom
yeah never and it was good production
bom abe bom
something like that yeah
so I think Makhongela played a huge role ku destroy Angalas as case Makhongela you know tell us what I mean but Stakabote I have to be honest because Angalasa no ngita kufana wena so wona uzoswani sona kuti vanhu va hambana ti character but you're my brother this is leswa so naloko wo fona so ku rin'wanyana uku la 30 rand kumbe la clip unje ku swa serious I'm gonna give you because ni
not to say
you're my brother because mina kunoza abatalanga la mina I'm gonna what time because people are Kangwer. Hey, Kevin. Sure. I should have podcast la cricket pitch. Yeah. Yeah, kwa brand vision logo sutanya ka podcast la. No problem, don't take. No problem.
Exactly.
Ngafikisha xinamunhu
I know.
nakona ni yini on TV mi mpfumele xin'wana na xin'wana but now I'm just saying ku hangalasa for me and ni n'wi fake emahetelelweni because I wanted to speak about this no kombela guys whoever mi nga le kusuhani na hangalasa ne that's his career hey that's his career
It lies on it.
ya a ku na nyiko yin'wana se mi na mi terekiwa kona laha n'wana
No man tiveli ngopfu hangalasa and
no vula ku nyiko ya dyona hi yo yeliya so leswiya swa ku mi ta bayizisa tingwenya mi xavela ti-black ala ku pfunapfuniwa hi vanhu ne cause J John wanted to work with the guy man. Honestly J John really wanted to work with the guy kona nkarhi n'wana nga fotonya foto ya dyona so ni ku i hangalasa bla
I think I remember.
John called me mahlori u ni foneleni a ku lava ku tirha a project ngamane na botahani Collins offered ku nta ku teka ni ku yisa lava nga kona etc ogiyani na don't know so me recall you know what happened what's papa sakhe I won't say hangalasa I think group leyi nga na hangalasa they are influencing him back
Just
and
like the trailer artist
Papa Run wa penga hangalasa kahle Papa Run wa penga
I tsikeni ni nge pfumeli leswi a swi vulaka for artist ya mina is my favorite.
u kahle hangalasa la is
Okay. Se group leyi a nga na yo. Group leyi a nga na yo
yi le onheleni because they said wotoko matakuswa yini matakuswa loko mari na hangalasa loko ma fika ka vatla hangalasa da nga swi kota ku kolota i case ya 12 because ya hangalasa so matakuswa sweswo loko ri na hangalasa aku case ni tsema but anyways the swila leswiwani ne swila because na mani tsakanga the way swi nga ku humeleleni ka mfethu I love you my guy a ku rhandza na sikhetho na Collins wa ku rhandza hi fo na bot Henry ya ku rhandza bot Henry yo hamba yi hakela mina to push this guy but it's very difficult I don't know na Shadani for it's very difficult to uhlaya vanhu vangani
Matelungu. Mara still is look
you're very difficult my guy
from point ya manyangati mina hangalasa anti tiveli ngopfu and I look to retain ngopfu and then from my final list I want to give it to the viewers. I want to see something. I feel like I'm missing out a lot of people.
loko nyeketa
Unganike wena as a viewer unganike ima
as a view osi ya show
Shoma Jos never Shoma Jos anongirate ka legend
but show me and faith
no man fee
we can I don't listen to it but we can faith the impact kasi uto langusa yena no ko langusa the definition of
ingise xilo xa xitina album ya 1 man
smoke na nyimba manje la I says I start maybe start no so smoke na nyimba says
xitina album ya 1 xifa xilo xa
hey mara she was hot by that time
hot magati looks and that stuff music wise nothing so music wise nothing ti very tinari mulanga legend wani nge xicheli tata n'we ku mi mchela manje wani nge xicheli
o menchela
mchela yabo
my last artist la ngana ka list yalo
yeah exactly
anete kumbexana ta jamu wathi Mtimbani Paulo Mtimbani no we can never ignore the influence or the impact ka music wethu
okay kasiphala na Mtimbani ntasha Mtimbani
I'm a
fan of sport
After why?
Mtimbani
After why?
Why?
The reason why I'm a fan of sport go no ka hip hop mina ngole have one
artist
ka hip hop
kwa ya tsonga
hip hop general I only listen to Eminem
okay
and the reason why I listen to Eminem is timhaka to Eminem is more Eminem loko dozo swan funny from duku na ku dlaya vanhu vanharhu when he raps about G-Mas you feel it bright
this is
you can connect with it so Eminem Mockingbird blah 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 those songs Destin they're Destin or blah you can tell a story in a way you go why visualize you can visualize it It was 10. We thought loko Stan wo ko twisisa music, wala loko twa xilungu. Utayibona mhleketweni.
Yeah, you can visualize whatever is been
It's
a lyric
selling
the lyrics.
Yes.
No, I get it.
So I think is
Spoiler like level yeah.
I know local
But then you got a portray story in that.
yeah, Paul is good.
Okay, Menta Chalam Timbani, because a lot of people know Timbani and he's been carrying hip hop when in the presence, yeah, the other artists.
But anyways, you know, kuna vanhu vo tala va swi fana na Mgwena, I don't know mtava na boxa mhaka. Nomayanda, Braking yi suggestele vo bona toto. Swa hi tikela nyana ku ta hi pricing ya in terms of with charge mali muni, because ovuyele do you are starting.
We are starting. It's
Foundation.
foundation.
Sungule swin'we na mhisa loyi van'we munhu un'we loko hi teta. Loko mi langusa channel leyiwani a ya ha ri ya manyangati ntsena. Ku na mxikashika. So in terms of ku hi ta lava mali muni for see what you can do. So what you can do. Most of the number one time ni nge heti kahle because almost everyone la nga tlamba nga serious u ta bita yena.
100%.
Exactly. So anyways, let's grow guys, let's grow. Let's push.
With that being said, it's about from now on, now the artist in Zelaya 1-1 or Bandlin at the moment, it's about key in profile by profile, and then revisit everything that the artist in end. Me wanna really on because Matonga they tend to forget really money.
It's only a matter of maybe, man. That's only been.
That's only been. No problem.
It's only Mrangapanda.
As Mrangapanda, I respect it in a number.
Yeah, that's only Mrangapanda. I think the next video we're gonna be doing, we're gonna do research Mrangapanda and
more details.
No,
No problem.
Leswi Mrangapanda leswi hi twa ngaku swa hi tlimba.
But I
Ta hlamula hi woxe straight kwala mahlweni ka n'wina. Just like I did last time no one fanele Joe Prince na Beni ku na interview yin'wana nga tshama ni endla na I think I called the three of them.